In this video, I will be showing you how to log out all devices on Facebook. For that, the process is very simple. Make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So let's dive right into the video. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and hit the bell icon. So what you have to do is to simply go to your profile, and in the profile, go to setting and privacy. In the setting and privacy, just click on the setting option. So once you are in the setting option, what you have to do is to simply go to the account center. In the account center, what you have to do is to go to the password and security. In the password and security, what you have to do is to go to the option where you say where you are logged in. So simply go ahead and click on that. And here you will see that all the options where your account has been logged in right now. So here you can select the devices where you want to log out your account from, and by doing that you will be able to log out your account from that particular device. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.